for you guys. Gonna be making a new headlight build. Basically, this is a headlight that I already already opened already to get ready for the build. I already started taking off the sides here and everything. Once I start taking out everything, I'm gonna go from there. Got something custom for here on the side. New sequential strips that's gonna be going here. The housing is gonna be painted. Gonna go from there. I have etched lenses. Basically what that is that the lenses are basically, it has a logo or like a picture on the screen, on the projector lens itself. I got them done custom at the retrofitsource.com. So I'm gonna be throwing those in too also. It's gonna be a nice build, and you know, I wanted to do something different, not something that everyone else has done, and I wanted to switch things up a little. The sequential strips that I have now, before I had the older LED ones with the little LEDs, now these are the new ones that you can't see. So I have these Circuit Demon, as you guys saw in the other picture. These are the hex halos that I'm going to be installing in here, the hex halos. Alright, so I have that. Then I have Demon Eyes. Demon Eyes, as you guys know, the Demon Eye sits behind the projector, and it's a light behind the projector, basically. So I already have a set on my car already that's built, so I don't need to go through the whole rewiring process on the car. So basically, once these headlights are done and these are built, I'll be selling my old set of headlights that I have on the car before, with the Demon Eyes and everything. It has everything on it, the LED strip. So the set that I have on my car will be up for sale. So if you guys are interested, just hit me up. Just send me a message or drop me a reply, because this is going to be a new set that I'm going to be building. So the old set I'm going to be getting rid of, because I don't need it. I don't need two sets. So okay, so back to here. So I have the profile. So this is from Circuit Demon. These halos, they're the only people that make these. Everything else here is from the retrofitsource.com, like the Demon Eyes, the profile prism. As you guys know, these are what I deal with. The lenses, I bought the ZWK lenses and then got them etched, so I have a custom etch on it. You guys kind of got a little sneak peek of what the lenses look like etched. And then these are the new LED strips. They're not like the old ones. These are like gel coated, so you don't see the strips. These are like, basically what they are, like the newer headlights, the newer halo rings, from the older halo rings where you saw the little LEDs around it, to this one now where they have the new profile prism halos, where, you know, they don't have to see the LEDs, it's just a gel coating over it. So basically this is what I have. So it's gonna be the Demon Eyes with the LED strip, which I have, custom etched lenses, the halo, the hex halos. It's gonna look crazy. It's gonna look dope. I can't wait to get it done. I want to do something different for the side here, so I'm gonna think of something to custom put together and then go from there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment. Can't wait to get this started for you guys, so you guys can see what's going on. All right, peace.